Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW X1 door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Torx T20 screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new door handle. Always ensure your replacement part is compatible with your specific BMW X1 model. Before starting, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure a safe working environment. This preparation saves time and prevents potential issues during the process. Now let's begin the disassembly. Start by carefully prying off the interior door panel with a trim removal tool, working around the edges to release the clips. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for window switches or lights. Next, locate and unscrew the two Torx T20 screws securing the door handle. With the screws removed, gently pull the old handle assembly away from the door, being mindful of any remaining cables. Installing the new handle is essentially the reverse of removal. First, connect any electrical wires to your new door handle assembly, ensuring a secure fit. Carefully align the new handle with the mounting points on the door frame. Once aligned, insert and tighten the two Torx T20 screws to secure it firmly in place. Finally, reattach all electrical connectors to the interior door panel before reclipping it back onto the door frame. With the new handle installed, it is crucial to perform thorough testing. Operate the new door handle several times to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Verify that the door latches and unlatches correctly from both the inside and outside. Before finishing, check for any loose trim pieces or unusual rattling sounds. For enhanced longevity, consider applying a small amount of silicone grease to the moving parts of the handle mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.